Ironbeam versus AMP Futures versus Ninjatrader. Which futures broker is best? If you're diving into futures trading and wondering which broker to choose, Ironbeam, AMP Futures, or Ninjatrader, this video is for you, so let's break down the key differences and help you pick the one that suits your style. Starting with Ironbeam, it's a lesser known name but gaining traction for its low cost structure and simplified interface. It's great for traders who want straightforward access to the futures market without overwhelming tools. However, it lacks the advanced charting and automation tools that experienced traders often rely on. AMP Futures. It's known for offering multiple trading platforms, including MetaTrader, Sierra Chart, and more. It shines when it comes to variety and low margins, and the commissions are very competitive and they cater well to both beginner and advanced traders. That said, the user interface can feel a bit outdated, and some traders report longer support response times. Finally, Ninjatrader. It stands out for its advanced tools and analytics. So if you're into backtesting, strategy automation, and in-depth market data, Ninjatrader is hard to beat. It does come with a learning curve and a pricing model that includes a platform license fee. But many active traders find the investment worthwhile. So which is best? For beginners, Ironbeam or AMP Futures. And for advanced, strategy-heavy traders, Ninjatrader takes the crown. Thanks for watching.